Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Anuja, and in today's video I will show you how to create a picklist field in Salesforce. A picklist field is a type of field that allows users to select a value from a predefined list of options. It provides a drop-down menu with a list of choices, and users can choose a single value from that list. So for creating a picklist field in Salesforce, first of all, go to the setup, click this gear icon, click setup. I'm already in setup. Click Object Manager. In Object Manager, here is the list of objects, and you can choose for which object you are creating the field. I am creating this field for the policy object. Select policy. Go Fields and Relationships and click New. Select the data type. So for creating a field in the Salesforce, first we will have to select a data type. There are many options for selection. So I will choose Picklist. You can see here two options for Picklist, Picklist and Picklist multi-select. Picklist fields allow user to select only one value from a list of predefined options. On the other hand, in multi-select Picklist field, it enables users to select multiple value from a list of predefined options. Multi-select picklists are useful when user needs to indicate multiple values for a single field. For example, selecting a multiple product feature or campaign type. So I'm going to select picklist here and click next. And here I will fill the detail. Field label would be insurance type. So in values, there are two options. Use global picklist value set and enter values with each value separated by the new line. So I will select the second one. For global picklist value, I will tell you about in my upcoming videos. So I will enter the values: home, health, motor vehicle, and life. So after entering the values, here are three options, three checkbox options. And first one is display value alphabetically. So if you want to display the value the alphabetically, you can select this checkbox. Use first value as the default value. If you want to select the first value, you can check this checkbox. And third one is restrict picklist to the values defined in the value set. It means if you integrate it with another system, or if you perform a data upload activity, so new value can be added to this field if we uncheck this. So we have restricted the pick list to the values we are defining by checking this checkbox. So I will keep it as default. And optionally, you can give a description or a help text for the users. And if you want to make this field required, you can check this checkbox. I'm not going to make this required. Click next. So it's a crucial step in controlling access to a specific field within an object. It allows administrator to define which user or profile can view or edit the value of a particular field. There are two options here: visible and read only. So if I make the visible this field for the profiles, so profiles or user may be granted read and write access to the field. So if I select the read only option, I can set a field to be read only or hidden for certain profiles, limiting the ability to modify or view the field content. So I will not check this checkbox, and I'm making this visible and editable for all the profiles. Click next. So for the page layout, when creating or modifying a field, administrator can choose to include it on the page layouts of the associated object. This means the field become visible and accessible directly on the record page. So I'm adding it in all the page layouts and click save. That's it. Our field is created. Insurance type. So in my next video, I will show you how to create a different types of fields in Salesforce. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Salesforce insight. Thank you.